Let's play the final round.
Let's go! Final round! Who's going to win? Let's see about the teenagers. Although they were able to see in the third round. Let's see about that. Whoa, what are you looking at?
Intense. Triple points. 4 answers are on the board. Here's your question. Magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit pipiliting pumasok ng estudyante sa school kahit siya ay may lagnat.
Because he still wants to study, like me. I remember there was one time I still came to school even though I'm sick.
Honors.
Huh?
Honors. Sabi ni Liday,
Yeah, very
honors.
determined to study or something like that.
Services.
Number 1. Oh.
Olive, magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit pipiliting pumasok ng estudyante sa school kahit na may lagnat siya.
Naku, ako to eh. Siyempre sa baon.
Nope.
Dahil sa baon. Nandiyan ba yung survey? Nandyan. Taas or play?
Okay.
Play!
Let's go for the final round. Team Spark Cuties. Grabe. Eto na to. Final answer. Lynel.
It happened to them all the time now.
Pipiliting pumasok ng estudyante sa school kahit siya'y may lagnat.
May exam.
Wow! Survey says,
Pwede.
Nikki, magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit pipiliting pumasok kahit may lagnat.
Nandyan si Crush.
Nope.
May kilala ka ba ganon? Ikaw mismo, may crush. Yep. Yan. Nasa iyo na.
That's what I always do every time.
Ano kaya ito? Pag nakuha mo to,
Whenever I got sick, I still come to school, you know.
Ang team ninyo, magbigay ng dahilan kung bakit pipiliting pumasok na estudyante sa school. Kahit siya'y may lagnat na yan, for the win.
Let's go.
Gusto niya mag-aral.
Watcher?
Kasi top notcher siya.
Yes.
So parang kailangan makuha niya to. Kundi,
Oo.
naku, hindi sa perfect attendance. Top notcher!
Oh.
Olive, pwede pa. 2 more chances, Olive. Ano kaya ito? Dahilan kung bakit pipiliting pumasok na estudyante sa school kahit may lagnat siya.
Para makipag-bonding sa kaibigan.
Survey says,
Nope.
wala. This is your final chance, Lynel. Otherwise, makaka-sleep sila.
Good luck,
Magbigay ng
Lee.
dahilan kung bakit pipiliting pumasok ng estudyante sa school kahit siya'y may lagnat.
For perfect attendance po.
What? That's the same as...
Nagbigay nila ang round na to. Isa na lang hinahanap to complete the 4 answers. We'll see. Survey says, wala.
That's the same.
Ito na inaantay natin. Dahilan
So I'm very
kung
determined to
bakit
study.
pumasok ng estudyante sa school kahit may lagnat.
Ayaw niya mag-absent.
May project, may kailangan gawin. Performance task!
Correct.
Liana,
Clearance. Clearance.
for clearance.
Yes.
Princess? Ano kaya yung dahilan?
Ayaw niya miss out
Papasok
ang mga
sa school
task.
kahit may lagnat. Bakit kaya?
Go, Princess Alia.
Magagalitan ng parents?
Oo. Bryce, final answer.
Sasagutin ko yung sagot ni Lee, performance task. May kailangan gawin sa school.
Project, performance task. May project.
Yup, that's what I'm gonna do later.
Nandyan din.
Performance task for the win.
Panalo ang Sparky. Survey says,
Yay! Finally! Great job, Lee. Hanep! Astig! Sayang talaga for the other team. Also, they did play well for 4 rounds.
Sa project ay performance task. So, pasok na pasok po talaga ang ating
Yeah,
final
that's what I
score,
do.
Team Sparky League.
Every time I go to school, whenever I'm sick, I'm still determined to go for my performance task. And not only that, because I need to study. I hate being absent. Those are the reasons.
Played well. Very, very well. Palakpakan po natin ang Sparky League. You got 50,000 pesos from family.
Yay!
Ito na. O performance task, kalinyo. Okay. Okay, guys, makinig. May performance task ako para sa inyo. Kailangan, bigyan mo ako ng 2 malulupit na player sa Fast Money, Bryce. Sino kaya ito mo?
So, nag-usap po kami. Ang maglalaro po ay si Liana muna, and then ako yung second.
Bryce and Liana.
Yes po.
Okay, it's gonna be Bryce and Liana. Magtuloy-tuloy kaya ang swerte ng Team Sparky League. Alamin natin sa Fast Money round. But, before that, narito na ang huling tanong sa ating Guess to Win promo.